Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory and nothing fun too. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated fire mode, and how to activate it you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for a phone. Let's open settings, then go to the system and choose reset options. Select the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and tap on the reset settings button. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to upgrade the system, so you have to open the About phone and choose Nothing OS. Now click on the Nothing OS and tap on the check for updates. If you have any, install it and check for your device again. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.